Okay, last time I did 2 cubes. Now I'll try to solve all of these 3 in one go. So yeah, let's do it. The last time when I did the last time that I did a similar challenge is that I did it with 2 cubes and I did it in like in 32 seconds. So yeah, I doubt I can beat that. I doubt I can beat 32 seconds because there's 3 cubes and it's just naturally harder, but yeah, try it. So these are all just hand scrambled. So yeah, so my goal is to get under 1 minute. Yeah. Again, this is only hand scramble, so no like special scramble or anything. So yeah. Okay. They're all solved. They're all very much solved. So yeah, for 41 seconds. It's not bad actually. That's just 10 seconds off of the last cube. I mean, off the last of the last challenge. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, peace.